Is your iPhone screen completely black, but you can still hear sounds or feel vibrations when you touch it? Don't worry, there's an easy fix for this, so just make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So I have my iPhone here and my screen is completely black, but the phone is making sounds. And all I have to do in order to fix this problem is to perform a force restart. And that's pretty easy to do. You'll first want to press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and after that, you'll want to press and long hold your power button for around 15 or even 20 seconds. You have to do this quickly. So volume up, then volume down, and then long press the power button. You don't want to let go of the power button until you see a little Apple logo appear over your screen. Once you see the Apple logo, let go of the power button, and then your problem will be fixed. The phone will turn back on as it normally does, and your screen won't be black anymore. If this video was useful to you, then please consider leaving a like on this video, and I will see you soon.